Hi there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to download the arrival report from your PMS dashboard, step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your PMS account with your username and password. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on Reports. From the list, choose Front Office. Now on the Front Office Reports page, click on the Booking tab at the top. Then select Arrival Report. Here, select the date for which you want to see the arrival report. In the top right side, you will have options to download the report in Excel and PDF format. Select and click in the format that you want to download for. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the arrival report from your PMS. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is always here for you. Don't forget to check the video description below. We've added some helpful links and other guides you might find useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.